Hello YouTube people, in today's video I'm gonna do a little unboxing because I'll be going on holidays, so I'll be gone for around 2 weeks, but I already got these watches, so I wanna show you what I got, and after around 2 weeks I'll make videos on these watches, so I just wanna share the happiness with you. So first watch, Pagan Design. I don't remember last time I bought a watch from Pagan Design, but once I saw this watch in this color released, I knew that I must get it. I just love how this thing looks like. So I already unboxed all these watches and took the plastics from the cases off because I was just showing what I got to my mom in the kitchen, you know. So my mom comes first and you guys come second. Sorry about that, but that's how things are. So first watch, this Pagan Design. I believe I already had model of this watch a long time ago with blue dial, and I remember telling you that it is a great watch, and I haven't changed my opinion because for the given price point this is a great watch. And I mean, just look at this thing. This thing is nice. This thing, hold on a second, I want to see it from behind this screen. Oh yeah, this thing is nice. Let me put it on the wrist. Sorry, this video is gonna be a little bit rushed because I'll try to make one video today, okay? One video which I'll publish tomorrow. Looks awesome. Looks really awesome. By the way, the size of my wrist is 16.5 centimeters or 6.5 inches. For reference, that's how it looks like, and I think it looks cool. This thing looks really cool. Yeah, I think Pagan did a great job on this watch. Looks so good. Man, this thing is so good. So it's just a butterfly clasp, as you can see. Sorry, haven't peeled plastics off, but look. We have half link included. Nice, half link included. So this is a chronograph. Alignment seems spot on if you look at the chronographs seconds hand. Let's start it for the first time ever. Stop it, reset it. Pushers feel nice, very clicky. Overall, can't really complain about anything right now. This thing looks amazing, man. This thing, so I love it. I absolutely love it. The watch with a yellow dial, sporty like this. Yep, I like it. Now this, what do we have here? This is Suggest. Never had a watch from Suggest, so this is the first one. Oh, I bought this one because I have that mechanical chronograph watch called Red Star. Oh look, they have included extra strap. That's nice, that's nice. Because I have this Red Star mechanical chronograph which I love very much, so I wanted another option with the same movement. So this watch also has this movement with a gooseneck and all. Yeah, looking great. Looking great. And the reason why I chose this color, I don't know. It just looks good in pictures. But in person, few things I actually don't like about this watch is actually, first of all, the color. I'm not sure about it. It's a little bit girly. In person, in real life, it's, I don't know, it's not my color, but it's interesting. It's definitely interesting color, I'll give you that. Another thing, it's a little bit big for me. I'm kind of surprised by the size of this watch. It's a little bit big for me. But still, seems like everything is nicely made on this watch. How the pushers feeling great. Yeah, feels great. Everything seems fine. Nothing really to complain about. It's just, you know, a little bit surprised that the size is a little bit bigger than I expected. And this color in person, it's a little bit girly. I don't know, I wouldn't probably wear this thing. But I bet the video is gonna be interesting, and that watch is gonna be interesting on a lot of different straps for sure. Now Millifortic, another watch, Millifortic. This one also, as soon as I saw this watch released, I knew I wanna get it. Because there is something about this watch that I just like. I don't know, something about this watch just looks right. Just looks like right. I really like those pushers and this big crown. take a good look. They look wonderful. They look wonderful. I really like how they are done, the size, the proportions. And this dial, also the proportion of this dial versus this chaptering. Wow, that's a long unscrew crown. Oh, ratio is low, very nice. Okay, let's screw it down. Looking real good. It's just my camera a little bit losing exposure on this watch, I must say. But this thing is really nice, and I must say, strap feels really good, very soft, very squishy, straight out of the box. Fresh strap already feels wonderful. That's nice, that's nice. Buckle, no sharp edges, very nice. Case, a little bit sharpish bottom edges, but couldn't really complain, to be honest. How are the pushers? Screw down pushers on this watch. Okay, let's start it. Stop it, reset it. Let me zoom in a little bit on this thing. Hold on a second, I see some dust particles on the sapphire crystal. Here you go, a clean look on a fresh watch. There is something about this watch that I just like. I don't know, those pushers, the crown. I like the design. I like this white, or not white, this silvery chaptering framing this blue dial in the center. I like those dotted indices. I know, design wise, everything about this watch is just a nice watch. Even the case as well. I like shiny bezel. It's looking good. This thing is looking good. You know what? I haven't showed you how it looks on my wrist. Let's do exactly that. The size is nice. It's not too large for me. It's not too large. It's looking good. Man, this thing is awesome. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot, actually. Moving on. Next watch. What do we have in this box? Oh, the packaging for this watch is exceptional, I must say. Exceptional. One of the best I ever seen. It's compact, but I mean, look at this pouch. Feels like real leather, this thing. Actually feels like real leather. I am not sure what is this, but wow, the packaging is awesome. But it's not about that, it's about what's inside. So open it up like that and take this watch off. So let's take a look at this watch. The reason why I bought this torn watch is because I really like the look of a new torn Submariner homage. But the price is currently a little bit too steep for me. I'm not gonna buy it. Right now the price is a little bit too steep, and I wanted a version without Submariner on the dial for obvious reasons, and it wasn't available. So I don't know, I just kept scrolling and I found this watch. This is old model from Torn and somehow forgotten, and the price, hold on a second, the price I got this watch for, let me take a look quickly what I paid for this beauty. It was actually a very reasonable price. 100, well, it's 148 euros. It's not cheap. It's not cheap, but it's cheaper than the new release for sure, because the new release at the time I was buying this watch was 220, something like that. It's a little bit too much for me. But this thing looks, I mean, one thing really stood out once I took this watch out of the box is the sapphire crystal. Look at this blue shade. How nicely it just pops up in the action. Sorry for my English, I'm a little bit on a rush. I'm not well prepared for this video, it's just all unplanned. First impressions, you know. Well, second impressions. I already took these watches out of the boxes together with my mom. So, but it was very rushed. I took them out and placed them back in the box. Man, this thing is so nice. I really love the sapphire crystal on this watch. There is something really special about it. It looks so good, man. It looks so good. I think this model is a little bit slept on. It's an old release from Torn, a little bit forgotten already. And it's I would say it's nice alternative to the new release from Torn. And I wouldn't say that I like new releases better than this one. Well, I haven't seen them in person for sure, so I can't really tell you, but what I see right now, my eyes really like. And this one is a lot cheaper than those new releases, and this looks awesome. And it's slim. Sorry, I don't remember what's the movement inside. How is the crown? Nice, crown feels nice. Bezel, alignment. I'm one click off, sorry. Let's try to set it in place. One thing I really like about Torn watches, that every watch I had from Torn was very well made. They make very good watches. Yeah, bezel is nicely aligned. I never had a watch from Torn that I would be complaining too much. You know, they always make very good watches. That's for sure. Well, at least according to my personal experience. And you know my personal experience. You can go to my website, Thomas Watch Reviews. In the search bar, simply enter Torn, and you will see all the Torn watches that I had. And I must tell you, all of them are very nicely made watches. Oh, this bracelet is interesting. Take a look at this bracelet. It has this interesting design with those sides. How's the clasp? Let's unbox it a little bit. How is it? Plain, simple, but kinda nice. Only 2 micro adjustments. Come on, Torn. Wow, it doesn't feel sharp at all. Actually, wow, that's nice. I'm telling you, Torn really makes nice watches. Torn is the brand that's a little bit slept on. People are a little bit missing Torn, but man, Torn makes nice watches. I mean, no sharpness on the clasp at all. It's nice thing to touch, actually. Bracelet as well, no sharpness. Oh, this thing is nice. Man, this thing is nice. Oh, I like it. I really like it. This thing is awesome. I love vintage style watches. Oh boy, size for me is just perfection. Yeah, take a good look, man. That's how a nice watch looks like. Guys, this is how a nice watch looks like. Oh boy, I really can't wait to make videos on these watches. Sorry, I'm going on holidays together with my wife. I'll be traveling to Spain. I'm gonna visit some nice places in Spain. So yeah, holidays comes first, and after holidays I will do videos on these watches. Next watch. This is... Now, let me tell you a little disclaimer. All watches that you just saw are sponsored by AliExpress. AliExpress gave me a budget, which is free to spend on any watches that I wanted. And these are the watches that I bought. So thank you, AliExpress, for sponsoring me very, very much. And I also bought 2 more watches. Let me quickly tell you which ones. I bought also Watch Dives WD00013. This the blue dial. I'm waiting for that watch to arrive, but it's gonna take quite a while, I believe, because it's a little bit like a pre-order, something like that. And I also bought Pagani design, which I wanted very much for a long time. It's golden watch, 36mm day and date complications. So I'm really waiting for that watch to arrive. I believe I'm gonna love it. So for all of these watches and those 2 watches that are about to arrive, I must say thank you to AliExpress. This is just wonderful. And this watch, I must say thank you to Militado for sending me this watch. They sent me this watch for free for the video, and I get to keep it. Thank you, Militado. Now, I already got this watch a few days ago, to be honest with you, so it's not fresh out of the box. I already played with this watch, I already formed my opinion about this watch. And I must say I'm actually really impressed. And this is the watch that I'm gonna be working on today. And I'll be releasing video tomorrow. And I can't really wait to do a photo shoot on this watch and show you how this thing looks like. I'm honestly really impressed by this watch. What Militado did. Hold on. There are several things that I wish were done better So, you know, my videos, I really focus on quality control and all that. So I'll find something to complain for sure, I already know. But in general, for the given price point, this thing is just unbelievable. This thing is just awesome. But I'm not gonna show you too much of this watch because this is the watch I'm working on today, making video and photos. Hopefully I'll make everything in one day, so I'll get to release everything tomorrow. But this thing, oh boy, this is amazing. That's it. You'll see more of this watch tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.